The resplendent quetzal, an icon of the cloud forest, primarily feeds on the small fruits of the
Deep in the misty cloud forest, the vibrant resplendent quetzal snatches a quick meal before disappearing into the dense canopy.
The jerboa, a creature of the twilight, uses its powerful hind legs to navigate the dunes, ever alert to the sounds of the desert. As dusk settles over the dunes, the jerboa emerges. Highly adapted to this arid environment, it must remain constantly vigilant. Emerging at dusk, the jerboa uses its powerful hind legs to navigate the arid landscape in search of precious seeds.
The Kirkdikdik is perfectly adapted to the arid scrubland, using its pointed snout to navigate the thorny acacia. The dikdik, a tiny antelope of the African savanna, must always be vigilant.
Found only in Western Australia, the numbat relies entirely on termites for sustenance. It can eat up to 20,000 in a single day.
pangolin's most unique adaptation is its incredibly long, sticky tongue, essential for reaching deep into the termite tunnels. Armed with powerful claws, the pangolin tears into the mound. Its specialized long tongue then rapidly collects the termites deep within the nest. The genet, creature of the twilight, moves with silent pride.
The common genet, perfectly adapted to the nocturnal forest, uses its agility and balance to stalk its prey in the darkness.
As dusk settles over the savanna, the large spotted genet emerges.
As twilight deepens in the canopy, the kinku utilizes its remarkable prehensile tail to access the ripest.
This is the fossa, the apex predator of Madagascar. It moves through the dense canopy with incredible...
Deep within the forests of Madagascar lives the fossa, a unique predator perfectly adapted for hunting lemurs. The Tasmanian devil is a powerful scavenger, using its keen sense of smell to locate food.